Hello, my friends. I am so excited. I have so many unboxings for you today, from not just for Boys Kit Club. So this is for May. And the first kit is called Vibrant. You see my fancy little note I write for myself because in the beginning I have a struggle bus trying to remember what everything's called and what goes together and all of that stuff. So bear with me, please. So this is a very vibrant kit, ergo the name Vibrant, right? Now I always make sure to get double papers. So these are the papers that come with the kit, and I will go ahead and open the second set and so on and so on. And the reason I get the second set is because, I am sorry, I know crinkle, because I'm always bummed if I have to choose which side of a paper I have to use. That is too much for me. I cannot do that. And I also have the cardstock add-on, but I will show you that in a minute. So let's go through these. I so wanted to see these because they show us design team these things, but we don't get to see them, if that makes sense. Like they flip through super quick, but I don't get to kind of touch them and feel them and like drool on them and all that kind of stuff. It's very important. And also you'll have the musical stylings of Mason. He has a nap going behind me. So that's just what's going on so I can get through this without my puppies fighting. All right, so our first paper to look at, and I'm gonna be able to show you both sides because I have the add-on, is we have Amy Tangerine, bright and bold. Oh, it's called High Five. Look at the colors, guys. I mean, even this piece right here that reads Oh Hi, like I wanna detail cut that out and have it coming out of something. Wild Child, so grateful for you. These pink anemone looking things or sand dollar looking things, not sure what they're supposed to be, but that's what it looks like to me. It reads You Matter. We have lightning bolts, live life in full bloom. This really, really great citron-y kind of color, somewhere between citron and chartreuse. Let me make sure I have my camera just right because I have a lot going on. So flowers, live your life, high five, and hi there with a tiger. And then the back side of that, ooh, that's gorgeous. So it's like, do you see it? It's like blue on blue, like it's like crosshatch, like a basket or something. That's kind of awesome. Okay, great. The next one, ooh, it's Pink Fresh, and it's from Some Days, and it is called Count It Down. So very geometric. You know, Pink Fresh does tons of geometrics. We have a nice red. It's almost a tomato soup red. More of a like a nude peach, as well as white and black on this. That's rather interesting. Don't know what I'm going to come up with for that, but I'm intrigued by it. Oh, and then the back side is this really great teal, aqua, almost tone on tone, not quite, with the alphabet on it. Neat. Ooh, this is saturated. Our next piece is from Vicky Booten Color Study, and it's called Line Drawing. Ooh, I don't think I've seen this one yet. So it's black, but it has really, really deep teal and even little bits of purple in there. Cool, cool, cool. And then the back side, talk about saturation. It is like the most saturated purpley blue bits. And she does tend to have a really nice branding strip as well. All right, so this paper is Heidi Swapp Color Fresh, and it's that super bold graphic black and white. Oh, and it's called Bright and Bold. There you go, how clever. And I love this piece right here. That's gorgeous. And see backside? Ooh, so it's grabbing this color right here that I said was right here. Very clever. So yes, yes, yes. I love how these kits, like, they're not like the same manufacturer straight through, but it works. It works, it works. Okay, ooh, another Amy Tan Brave and Bold. This one's in Starburst. So it's this really deep teal, the anemone looking things, or I don't know what they're supposed to be, but they're very cool. It's called Starburst. And then this one, oh, cool. So it goes like park bench green into like, it has a little bit more of a touch of blue in areas, a little bit of white popping through the hearts. Nice. Oh, this one's from Crate Paper. Oh, it must go this way. Oh, it's from Crate Paper Marigold, and it's called Nostalgia. So it kind of looks like old typewriter keys. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like, but that's very cool. And it does say backspace, so maybe. And then the other side of that is this color right here that picks up more of this tone. It's like this peachy nude something something tone. Very cool. It's a lot more of a neutral. Then we have Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold again. This one is called Chill Out. So it's got like imperfect lines, and this is aqua and that nice citron color again, and that's really cool. I don't know what I want to do yet with these. I mean, a lot of times the products tell me what I'm going to be scrapping, so it'll come. It shall come. Oh, cool. The back side, this is so cool. So it's a black print, and you can see like the print through it, or is it on top of it? I didn't know. But we have this animal print, and it goes into a different animal print and into wonky dots. Okay, guys, I haven't seen this paper, but it is the bomb. And then, I have two more, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of smudging, because that's a technical term we use. There we go. My next one is from Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story, and it's called Taffy. It's kind of like rainbows, but yeah, I can see the taffy. It looks like pulling of taffy. That's really, really cool. Okay, that's super cool. Love that. And then the back side is a super usable tone on tone in this, it's somewhere like it's a green teal. It's not either color, but very cool. So these are all of the papers. Now, keeping in mind that we have so many add-ons and embellies and good stuff this month, I can't wait to see, like, even when I'm scrapbooking, I have no idea. Okay, let me show you the next goodie. This is an add-on as well. Remember, I have the add-on pattern paper kit, and I have this add-on cardstock. Now, I show you this part with the kit, and then I'll show you all of the add-ons later in another video, just so you can kind of see what the flow is. Okay, so this is a basil cardstock in vanilla. Great neutral, looks really great with this. Absolutely great neutral, perfect. Then I have this basil cardstock in Granny Smith, and it is just a great color match. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm anticipating lots of this gorgeous limey color. Then I have the basil cardstock in Aruba, and that is a gorgeous, gorgeous aqua. And then finally, the fourth one is in the color Lava, which is really nice with this pink fresh. Also, there's some good reddish tones that come up in this Maggie Holmes. Okay, so I'm gonna shrink those down a whole bunch where you can just see a corner of them, because, you know, they're an add-on. Now, what else comes with the main kit? Let's do the alpha first, because I always like to see what my alpha is. All right, these are a great size. They are called Hello Beautiful. Look at that, how cute. And, oh gosh, they're from P13. Okay, that's what I was looking for, because here's this logo, and I'm like, I can't pronounce that. So they are flat stickers, super cool. They're itty bitty. Let me see if I have, let me see. Yeah, they're like the smallest tinge over a centimeter tall. So very usable. Slight gloss on them, like a satin almost, in case you were wondering. Great. Then next, let's look at the cut file. So it reads Shine, which is awesome. And you get this little piece of red cardstock that comes with a cut file. I love that I can always use the paper that comes with the cut files in my scrapbooking. I think that's awesome. So next, we have this entire set, how awesome, from Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold of stickers. I'm gonna hold it like this for a second in case you want to stop the screen and, you know, drool momentarily. So obviously there's Amy Tan papers in here, so there's really great color match, but there's this really great iridescent foil that's coming up in these stickers, which I think I should take them out so you can take a look-see. And I know, you know, I'll just be using this for mixed media anyway, the packaging, but look at, you get this iridescent foil on some of these pieces. and it's rather nifty. Like, it's kind of mesmerizing. It's on this word love. It's on this lightning bolt. So it's on different pieces. Not all of them, but on some. So you'll get this different finish with your stuff. How cool. So like repeated element is this high five, and that was on the cut apart sheet. So yeah. Oh, and these anemone looking things, which I don't even know what they are, but sand dollar looking thingies. Okay. So that's a really cool thing. It's a sticker sheet. Next. Oh my word. What are these? Okay. You guys know I always carry on about the no waste packaging. These are cool. Let me get my little tray thing. So we have these cute little mini things. Come out, guys. Okay, so come out. So we have these little tiny tags, right? But then there's these adorable little clips. They're like they're so cute. They're real safety pin, like little clips. But they're in like all of these colors. I have yellow, orange, metallic red, like a deep metallic red. Purple is in here. Like a pop of blue. I have green with these little tiny tags, as well as a little white one. Those are cute. Cute, cute. Next, I have this set of, are they real buttons or are they just like rounded? They're like little domes, and they're super glossy, black and white. Tons and tons in there. Really nice packaging. Cute. And let's see. The stamps this month, oh, they're cute. So all the packaging, you know how I carry on, but I do like all the little words. So there's words: be bold, wake up and be awesome, shoot for the stars, and do your thing, ... But look at, like, there's like little asterisk marks in a big one. And then this one has 3 pieces, a little single. And then there's like splatty bits that you can do with stamps. That is awesome. Super cute. Next, ooh, I was dying to see these. These are like little crocheted hearts in red. I mean, guys, look at those. I'm going to bring a light over. Oh, sorry, that whole thing moved. Just so you can see how cool those are. My camera is trying to move. Try not to throw up. How cool is that? And we get 4 of them. So they're not thick at all, right? But you get this great texture. Those are awesome. And then finally, we have a whole pack of these little die cuts. They're from Pretty Little Studio. And it says, oh, they're from Document Life Collection by Hello Heather. And they're called Seen and Noted Labels and Die Cuts. So let me grab, oh, that's even cute packaging right there. Cute. So let's see what these little bits are. I think I'm going to bring this piece that's red over here so we can see the what's what. Because I want to see what these are. Let's see. So there's all kinds of phrases. How cute. Seen and Noted word die cuts. Cute. So we have lots of bright colors again. So this looks like navy blue. It reads every day. Oh, maybe I should come in just a little bit. This is It's the Weekend in a nice pink. Really picks up this pink over here really well. By the Maggie Holmes collection. Yay in light blue. Every Day in a nice orange. Ooh, nice red and love, love, love. Good Stuff in this fab green. Rise and Shine. Good Stuff in navy. Love, love, love. Rise and Shine. Again, just like right there. It's the Weekend in the navy. So I guess they have a color one and a navy one. Cool. Here and Now. Life. Awesome. Awesome in orange. Details in both the blue and the pink. Here and Now in this really nice aqua. Ooh, The Story in yellow. Let's see, Best of Times in both red and the blue. That is so cool that you get both colors. How cool is that? I like to repeat elements often on my layouts, like in repeat phrases, so that's going to be really cool. The story in navy, today. Then I have life in gray. I have today in gray, and then yay in navy. So that is the May 2020 Vibrant Kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. So the next video, I will have the deluxe theme kit. It is so cool, guys. I can't wait to show it to you. So meet me back here in a second.